friends, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Kelly. I am a fashion reseller on various platforms, and today I'm going to be talking all about ThredUp and giving you a complete guide on everything you need to know about ThredUp before you start selling to them. So if you're interested in that, just stay tuned. So what is ThredUp? Well, ThredUp is the largest fashion resale marketplace selling over 35 brands. They started in 2009 as a men's shirt swapping company. That didn't last long because shortly after they started selling women's and children's clothing. Now with ThredUp, you can send them your clothing and they will give you money for the items that they accept. They accept items that are in excellent condition, less than 5 years old, on trend, from a name brand, but they actually do accept items that aren't name brand as well. It's very easy to request a bag. They will send you a kit. It has the label on there, the prepaid label, and a bag that you can send your clothes in, or you can decide to send them in a box if you want to. You have an option of doing expedited shipping for an additional $16.99. With everything that's going on with the world, currently they are very understaffed, so it's taking longer to process all the items. I believe it's about 15 weeks. So it might be a good idea to pay for that expedited shipping. Now you also can pay for return assurance. So when they get your item, they may not accept all of your items, and you might want your item sent back to you. That you're gonna have to purchase the $10.99 return assurance. So you would scroll over until you see clean out bag. Now it says, due to high volume and reduced staff, kit orders are on pause until we are able to reduce processing times and provide you with the best clean out experience possible. Opt in and get notified below. So you're going to scroll down and it says get notified. I haven't got notified yet. And then you're going to see label or bag. So you'll get a label. You can request a label that'll be sent to your email, or request a bag. Either or, it doesn't matter. You can choose to recycle your items, or you can choose to get your items returned back to you, whatever ThredUp doesn't accept, for $10.99, which is what I always do. Processing time. So of course they're backed up, so it's probably best to order that 1 week processing time for $16.99. Then of course after that you would fill out your address, you would hit next, and you'll have your label sent to your email to print out, or your bag will be sent to you within probably 7 to 10 business days. So you may be wondering, how much should I send to ThredUp? You should be sending around 15 to 30 pounds. I know when I first started selling on ThredUp about 3 years ago, they told me that a good weight was 15 pounds. That was the sweet spot, but I definitely would send in more, send in as much as you can, and to reach that 30 pounds. As well, you can send your items with USPS, or you can send your items with FedEx. So before you send in your items, there is a way to know exactly how much you're going to get paid out for your items, how much they're going to give you once a person buys your item, and they have something called a payout calculator on the website. So what you do is you type in the brand, you can pick the category, whether it's a dress, a skirt, jeans, and it'll tell you an estimated payout of what you might get. Now sometimes these payouts aren't exactly precise. So one thing I do is I go to the search bar, I type in the brand, I may sort by category, and that gives you a better indication of what they're exactly pricing that brand at. And you can also follow different brands, see how the brands sell for you. Okay, here is the payout calculator. So you see at the top it says what the brands are. Value and mall range, you have 60 days to sell them. Premium design brands, you have 90 days to sell them. Here's your payout percentages, and it just tells you the percent you get when you sell an item for a certain price. And here's the payout estimator. So I'm just going to select BCBG Max Azria, because that's a good brand to send in. And there you go. It has the payout of what you'll possibly get for that item. So I'm going to go to my search bar. I'm going to type in BCBG Max Azria. That's a great brand to send to ThredUp. I'm going to take off my size. I'm going to sort from high to lowest price, just to take a look at what people are pricing their items at, what ThredUp is pricing their item at as far as the estimated retail price. It's important to know the pricing of your item, the worth of your item. Is it worth 20? Is it worth 200? If you max the price out, at least this leaves room for price drops. Okay, so ThredUp will receive your bag. You'll get notification that they receive your bag. Now, they may process it right away, or it might take a day or two. It just all depends. But assuming they process it right away, you'll get notification your bag has been processed. You have 12 hours to change your prices, and I highly suggest that you just max out your price. Able to tell you exactly what is the highest amount you're able to set your item at. So just follow that, and it's very easy. Very simple, but of course you want your item selling for the most amount possible. So definitely do that. Now, once they price your items, there is a 12-hour bidding window. So customers are able to bid on your items. So it might be a good idea for you to keep an eye out on your prices if you're looking to get a certain amount for a particular style or a particular brand. After that 12 hours is up, your items go live on the site for people to purchase them. So after your customer buys your item, they have about 14 days to return the item. After that 14 days is up, you will receive your payout. How do you get paid? There's two ways to get paid. You can either get paid through Stripe or through PayPal. You also have the option to receive a store credit to different stores like Gap, Banana Republic, LaFleur, and there's a few other stores. So you want to go to account, you want to go to cash out. It's going to give you your two options of Stripe or PayPal. And then also you can choose a store credit to ThredUp, Banana Republic, Hollister, LaFleur. Now me, I don't do this. I want my money, so I cash out immediately. Another thing I want to tell you about is ThredUp Rewards. So this is fairly new. I believe they started this several months ago, or it might have been at the beginning of this year. But you basically earn points for going on the app, returning a kit to them, or ordering a kit. And you can use these points for free shipping, for maybe 10 or 20% off of an item. So it's definitely good to accumulate those items, and you can use them when you're reclaiming your items to get free shipping. On ThredUp, you can reclaim your item. You have about 7 days to reclaim your item. After that, they own rights to keep the item. Keep in mind, ThredUp is also able to purchase your items, and I believe you will receive a payout within 24 hours. Now, there have been so many changes to ThredUp throughout the past couple of months, especially dealing with everything that's going on in the world with the pandemic and everything. So I'm not sure if this is going to continue, but there was a Lux program. Now, with this Lux program, you could send in a bag of items, and at least one of those items had to be a designer item. They would send you labels. You had to request these labels through ThredUp, send them an email just saying, hi, I'd like to request 1 label, 5 labels, or whatever. And they would send you a label. Of course, you put that label on your bag or on a box that you have and send it into them. And this already came with the expedited shipping and also return assurance. So I'm not sure if that's something they're going to bring back. We'll see. For example, I actually have 2 of these left over from a couple months ago, but here is the label. It usually comes in a white envelope. So this is exactly how it looks. So you will have the label, and there is an expiration date. The expiration date is really, really tiny. It's right here. It says expiration, and then it says 8/18. Let me see. I don't know if this is something you guys can see, but it says 8/18. It's super tiny on there. And then they also give you this, just telling you how they review the items, how exactly ThredUp works. And then it has a list of like designers on the back, so you know what designers they take. So that's what it looks like. Okay, well guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, hit the notification bell so you know next time I put out another video. Don't forget to subscribe. Share this video if you think it might be helpful for anyone else, and I will see you next time. Bye.